1、2、3. When you open the machine, now and we go in the PLC touch screen. First we click here. We change the language, English. And then go back to operate. You can see here, set start. You can click here, so the machine will work. No need to change any function. You click here, the machine, everything is ready, going. You can see here, this function is you can adjust the speed, up, down. Normally, the machine starts, you set the speed 15. It's okay. Here it can show the temperature. Another three function. My motto, air cylinder, heater. If you want adjust these three function, you can see here is auto. If you want change, click here, manual. So forward start, start, this, stop, this, stop. It's very easy. This part is the air press. The left, open it, and the right, close it. For here, that means if you want transfer the image to the fabric, very good effect. So and you open it. If you don't need it, you close it. For these two parts, it adjusts the speed. For this one, you adjust the sublimation paper. After transfer the sublimation paper here, roller up, can choose the speed. For this one, and it can choose the tissue paper roller up speed.